Welcome in the kitchen, everyone. I'm so glad you're here. I'm Lynn, and welcome in my kitchen. We're going to make absolutely the easiest cookies, and in my opinion, one of the best cookies. You can make them any flavor. You can add whatever you want to them if you want to add things to them. But these I'm going to make like Little Debbie fudge rounds. Okay, y'all know what a fudge round is. It's kind of like a brownie or a real soft chocolate cookie with chocolate buttercream in the middle, and it's like a sandwich cookie. And they are soft and they are gooey. They're just so yummy. So that's what we're going to make today. I'm sorry, I put you all in the... I forgot our beater blade. All right, here we go. We need 3 ingredients. Only 3. 3 ingredients. We need a cake mix, any flavor, strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, orange, lemon, whatever kind of cake mix you can find that you like, butter cake mix, whatever. And we need 8 ounces of whipped topping or Cool Whip. These are called Cool Whip cookies. Surprise, surprise. And we need 1 egg. Oh, I said 3 ingredient. It is 3 ingredient, but you do need powdered sugar. Okay. I'm going to get us a bowl here to crack our egg in, because I like to do that in case I give a little piece of a shell. Thought I did, but no, I didn't. All right. There we go. We need to dump in our cake mix. You do not have to have a mixer for this. I just prefer to mix things with a mixer if I have one. I'm going to kind of make a little well in there. 1 egg. And, well, if I don't drop it, 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Y'all can't see it going in, but that's what it is. 8-ounce container of thawed out whip topping or Cool Whip. And we mix these up just like that. I'm going to wash my hands. All right. Doesn't that look yummy? Doesn't it? It looks like a cake, doesn't it? But it's going to be a wonderful cookie. They stay soft too, y'all. They're not just soft when they come out of the oven. They actually stay soft. Kind of like a brownie if you use a chocolate one. Cake mix. It's kind of like a brownie. All right, I'm going to take this. I'm going to take y'all over here. I'm going to come back over here because I got more room to work. First, I'm going to taste this because you can't resist but lick the beaters, right? And it does taste yummy. Okie doke. Here's our cake batter or cookie dough. Like I said, we could have mixed it just with our hands, but I like to use the mixer. And I'm also going to use this 2 tablespoon cookie scoop. You can make them as big or as small as you want to. I like to use that size. And in this bowl, you saw me just dump some powdered sugar. We get over here and get our pans. Alrighty. I'm going to move some stuff out of our way. Well, I need more countertop space. Or really, I don't. Y'all do. Y'all need more countertop space. All right. And here's our parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Can y'all see it? Hope you can. Maybe if I move y'all over that way a little bit. Turn you just a little bit, maybe. All right, I think y'all can see now. Here's our powdered sugar, our cookie dough, our powdered sugar, and our pan. No, I put on the apron, but don't you look. Getting it all over me. Take your scoop, one scoop, and just drop it in there. And then you just want to roll it over in this powdered sugar. Pick it up, and yes, they are they're not real hard. That's okay. That's what you want. You just want to toss this powdered sugar, lightly toss them in there, and lay them on your cookie sheet. Just like that. We're going to bake these at 350 degrees. And I usually put 3 across my pan. Depends on what size pan you have. I've seen these called snow cap cookies. I've seen them called Cool Whip cookies. I've seen them called crackle cookies. So they have a lot of different names. I'll probably put 1 dozen on each one of my pans. And like I said, and you bake them in a 350 degree oven, and I'm not sure how long. I'll have to look over here and see. I remember the ingredients, but I can't remember how long I bake these. And I do time them because I do not, you can't really tell because they stay white on top. All right, let me look over here. I'm going to pop these in the oven. $10 to 12 minutes. All right, I'm going to put these in. We'll get us another pan going. Timer set for 10 minutes. All right, here we go. We're going to make our icing. Y'all see down in there, I've got a stick of butter and a little bit of powdered sugar that was left in our bowl where we rolled our cookies. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit more powdered sugar. I want y'all to look at our cookies over here. Don't those just look yummy? See what I mean by snow cap cookies? I've heard them called that. I've heard them called crackle cookies because you see how that crackled the powdered sugar did on top. I've heard them called Cool Whip cookies. They've got lots of different names. All right, so here we go. We're going to make our icing here. Woo! Oh, mercy. I should throw me a towel across it. There we go. She's got her on the bonnet. Let me wipe that up. Okie doke. Now then, maybe we can take this bonnet off. I think we can. Yeah, now she's whipping up there nice. And I'm just going to turn this on and let it whip and whip and whip. Okay? because the more it whips, the more air gets in it, and the lighter your frosting will be. Okay? We don't need an awful lot. But who knows, I might just make double and then save it for the next batch of cookies. And I'm going to throw in just a little bit of vanilla. We can make this chocolate icing or make it vanilla, and I think I'm going to go with vanilla. Just a few grains of salt there, and we're going to let it whip. You could use almond flavoring with that chocolate. You could even use orange extract. If I were doing lemon cookies, I would do a lemon icing and use lemon extract. I think I'm going to need just a little bit of cream in there. Hold on. Now then. Let's scrape this down, make sure that it's got all of that off the edges. This scraper blade, it's good, but sometimes I just wonder if it really scrapes good. All right, I'm going to taste this and see if it's got enough vanilla. See if it's creamy enough. Oh yes, it's just perfect. Alrighty. We'll let our cookies finished up over here. Let's see if it's thick enough. It'll hold its shape. I believe it is. It's just real creamy. Because it'll hold right like that. That's some yummy icing. Alrighty, folks. We'll be back when our cookies are both done and completely cooled, okay? We'll be back later. Okay, now maybe you can hear me. I just iced a few of them. Didn't want to ice all of them. The icing I'm going to put in the refrigerator. It will stay for quite a while in your refrigerator. Here are some of the ones that we iced. See, right there, it's got the icing in the middle. And look how soft. Those are good. Some of them I left without icing because they're good, just plain. If y'all need a quick, easy dessert, keep your thing of Cool Whip on hand and a cake mix. You can mix these cookies up and have them baked in no time flat, and they are absolutely delicious. So I'm going to ask you to remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications. And that'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.